Anybody that's been to Rural King and looked at the prices that they have out front on their tractors recognizes that they've got some very attractive pricing. Is that something that's particular to Rural King, or can a consumer expect to get the same kind of competitive pricing when going to an independent TYM dealer?
I think the only glaring difference I see in the whole purchase structure is the availability of financing. TYM dealers use DLL Finance, which is certainly the world's largest agricultural finance outlet. My Coyote brand tractor, for example, goes through DLL. If you bought a tractor from a Mahindra dealer, that's DLL. DLL is an enormous company that does the majority of new tractor financing. Not the case at Rural King. They use an independent credit union that they've hooked up with for the availability of finance. Redstone Federal Credit Union is the name of the place, and the finance options are not as attractive going that route. For example, currently, and today is October 4th, 2021, so please know that if somebody's watching this video in the future that this may not apply, these numbers I'm about to tell you. But today, if you were to buy a TYM tractor from me and I financed it for you through DLL Finance, the interest rate would be 4.49%, and you'd be able to finance it up to 84 months. If you purchase a Rural King tractor and you use their finance outlet, which is Redstone Federal Credit Union, you can also go up to 84 months, although their interest rate is 6.49, a full 2 points higher. And quick math I looked up here, if somebody bought if they financed a $30,000 machine, which is certainly not a huge purchase. It's a lot of money, of course it is, but it's in the world of tractors, it's not an enormous amount to expect to finance. If someone was to finance $30,000, put no money down at a Rural King dealer, the 84-month payment would be $445. If somebody bought a $30,000, financed $30,000 on a TYM from a TYM dealer who uses DLL Finance at 4.49%, the 84-month payment is $417 a month. That's a difference of $28 a month. $28 a month, except that $28 a month at 84 months is a difference of $2,352. That is significant. If somebody is financing, there's an automatic incentive to want the loan that's 2 points lower. So I don't think that at least from me, the prices are going to be higher. But when you factor in finance, delivery, things like that, I think maybe it's not favorable at all to not look at an independent dealer. And I know I'm biased there, but the facts are facts.